The Bajaj Pulsar 125 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a revolution in the 125cc segment. Designed for the modern rider, it offers the perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. The bold and aggressive design language immediately captures attention, while the aerodynamic body ensures that form meets function in the most seamless way. Every detail of the Pulsar 125 reflects its sporty DNA, from the muscular fuel tank to the sharp graphics that amplify its dynamic appeal. Under the hood, the Pulsar 125 is powered by a cutting-edge 125cc DTSI engine that delivers an exhilarating performance without compromising fuel efficiency. This engine is designed to provide smooth power delivery across the rev range, making it a joy to ride in all conditions. Whether you're cruising on highways or weaving through city traffic, the Pulsar 125 responds instantly to your commands. Its efficient fuel injection system ensures optimal combustion, translating to better mileage and a cleaner ride. The ride quality of the Pulsar 125 is one of its standout features. The advanced suspension setup, with telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear, ensures a comfortable experience even on rough roads. This is further complemented by the bike's lightweight yet sturdy frame, which enhances stability and control. Riders will appreciate the effortless maneuverability of the Pulsar 125, making it ideal for both daily commuting and weekend getaways. Safety is a top priority in the design of the Pulsar 125. Equipped with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake, the motorcycle delivers precise stopping power in all situations. The Combi Braking System (CBS) enhances stability during sudden braking, giving riders added confidence on the road. The bike's tubeless tires provide excellent grip and reduce the risk of punctures, ensuring safer and more reliable rides. Bright headlamps and a signature LED tail lamp ensure maximum visibility, even in low-light conditions. The Pulsar 125 also excels in rider comfort and convenience. The seat is designed to provide ample support for both the rider and the pillion, ensuring fatigue-free journeys. The ergonomics of the motorcycle are thoughtfully crafted, with a relaxed riding posture that minimizes strain during long rides. The handlebars and footpegs are positioned for maximum comfort, making it suitable for riders of all heights. A digital analog instrument cluster adds a modern touch, providing essential information like speed, fuel level, trip distance, and more at a glance. Style is another hallmark of the Pulsar 125. The bold color options and premium finishes make it a head-turner on the streets. From the sporty decals to the alloy wheels, every element of the bike's design speaks of sophistication and attention to detail. The dual-tone finish further enhances its visual appeal, ensuring that the Pulsar 125 stands out in any crowd. Bajaj's legacy of innovation and quality is evident in every aspect of the Pulsar 125. The bike is built to last, with high-quality materials and a robust construction that can withstand the rigors of daily use. Maintenance is hassle-free and affordable, making it an economical choice for riders who want a dependable and efficient motorcycle. Bajaj has also ensured that the Pulsar 125 meets stringent emission norms, making it an environmentally friendly option for eco-conscious riders. The Pulsar 125 is not just about performance and style, it's about creating experiences. It's a bike that encourages you to explore, to push boundaries, and to embrace the thrill of the ride. Whether you're navigating the urban jungle or embarking on a long road trip, the Pulsar 125 is a reliable and capable companion. It's a motorcycle that adapts to your needs, offering versatility and practicality without compromising on excitement. The affordability of the Pulsar 125 makes it accessible to a wide range of riders. Students, professionals, and enthusiasts alike can enjoy the benefits of this well-rounded motorcycle. Its excellent fuel economy and low running costs make it an ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers. At the same time, its advanced features and sporty design ensure that it delivers an experience that far exceeds its price point. Riding the Pulsar 125 is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. It's a symbol of independence, freedom, and adventure. The bike's powerful performance and striking design inspire confidence in every rider, while its advanced features ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. With the Pulsar 125, every journey becomes an opportunity to create lasting memories. Bajaj has truly outdone itself with the Pulsar 125, setting new benchmarks in the 125cc segment. This motorcycle is a testament to the brand's commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. It's a bike that embodies the spirit of Pulsar, bold, dynamic, and unstoppable. For those who seek a motorcycle that offers the perfect balance of power, efficiency, and style, the Bajaj Pulsar 125 is the ultimate choice.